Amazing news, Shiba Inu Coin get ready to be rich in 2022. 1400% rally will change everything. Shiba Inu has been making big waves in the cryptocurrency world. The Doge killer coin has given insane returns in 2021, but in the past 1 month, the momentum has seen a slowdown. We recently explained whether it's better to buy Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, as both the meme coins have fallen significantly from their November highs. And guess what? The Shib investors have already braced themselves for another upward rally in the price of their favorite meme coin. Today we're going to talk all about the upcoming rally of Shiba Inu coin and how much will Shib be worth in the coming years. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 24th of December, shall we? Shiba Inu price has popped above a descending trend line, dictating price action since the beginning of December. With this bullish signal, more investors are joining the rally, driving the relative strength index higher. Expect this to be the start of a Christmas rally that will go into New Year, with the first price target at 4,490 hundred millionths of a dollar, the 61.8% Fibonacci level. Shib price sees investors gearing up for a late uptrend. Shiba Inu price delivered a bullish signal this morning by breaking out of the downtrend that it has been in for over 3 weeks now. Bulls used the false break of the $1 support level at 3,100 millionths of a dollar yesterday to trap bears and use momentum to slingshot themselves above the descending trend line, making it a perfect break to the upside, which will see traders jump on the trade throughout the day. Shib price should see solid continuous buying activity, which will be reflected in the RSI, which will probably tick up more quickly towards the overbought area. By then, Shib price action will have reached the 61.8% Fibonacci level at 4,490 hundred millionths of a dollar. With the 55-day simple moving average coming in just above, expect this area to trigger some profit taking, as thin liquidity might sketch a fade in price action. Now let's get back to the topic. As most Shiba Inu hodlers are active on Twitter and Reddit, a quick look at their community shows that even though the crypto markets have been plummeting of late, the Shib army is optimistic about the future of Shiba Inu. Investors who believe in Shiba Inu are reluctant to sell off their holdings and are preparing for another leg up rally in the prices. A well-known Shiba Inu support page on Twitter, @ShibInform, tweeted saying, "If you're smart, you are buying the Shib dip right now." The comments of the tweet echo similar sentiments from hodlers of Shiba Inu. Shib is getting ready for another 1,000%, read one comment, while another said, "We are ready." Given that Shib has fallen more drastically compared to Dogecoin, it can be said that it's trading at a higher discount than compared to its peer meme coin. Also, as Dogecoin has already grown and matured into a gigantic project, there are lesser attractive reasons to invest in it. Shiba Inu, the market's second largest meme coin, has had a fairly rough start in December. In the 24-hour window, for instance, this coin has shed more than 3% of its value. Now, despite the dwindling price and the downtrend in its charts, Shib managed to achieve a remarkable feat as of late. Just a week back, the token's official Twitter handle announced that over 1 million hodlers now possess Shib tokens. While the aforementioned number is a testament to the meme coin's increasing popularity, and in effect the news of the newly set milestone gave the Shib community something new to rejoice about. Since the coin now boasts of such a large number of hodlers, let's analyze how many of them are in profit and how many aren't. Well, data from Into the Block projected quite encouraging numbers. The profitability numbers bring to light that a substantial share of investors continued to cling onto their coins, and did not necessarily sell them during Shib's previous uptick phases. Well, in the past, whenever hodlers exhibited such a behavior, the coin usually rallied. As seen from the chart attached below, the mean age of the invested dollars have fairly gotten older when compared to early November's bottom. In fact, the curve currently points northward, reassuring that the same trend would in most likelihood prolong itself. Thus, it wouldn't be wrong to claim that the investors in the ecosystem at this stage are collectively expecting gains, and that would essentially materialize only when Shib's price rises. The supply on exchanges has additionally been diminishing, implying that hodlers are accumulating more coins at this stage. Thus, if the buying spree mode intensifies in the coming days, nothing much can stop Shib's price from unleashing and inching higher. Further, a whole set of new companies have now started accepting payments in dog-themed coins, which means that there's a lot more reason for Shib to bark louder. While the coin's fundamentals also seem to be fairly decent at the time of writing, consider the trade volume on Shiba Inu's DEX Shibaswap. Now, as seen from the chart attached, the same has been revolving in the $20 million to $50 million bracket since the end of November, which isn't that bad. Additionally, Shiba tokens have been getting burned on a frequent basis. In just the past hour, more than 5 billion Shib tokens have been destroyed. This mechanism, to a fair extent, does have the potential to pull the asset's price upwards going forward. So, given the decent state of the fundamentals and the bullish sentiment of market participants, it wouldn't be a cardinal sin to expect Shib to rally in days to come. With one of the biggest critiques from Shib bears being that the token has few functions, this is all great news. There are more and more places accommodating Shib as a way to obtain goods and services, but even beyond that, the Shib roadmap is packed with interesting projects. Most notably, developers are working on Shibarium, which will be a Layer 2 solution that gives Shib its own personal chain to work with. Shibarium will also be home to ambitious projects like the Oshiverse metaverse game. Developers recently announced that AAA gamer developer Playside Studios will play a key role in creating this product. It's quite obvious that Shib has a lot in the tank. At least that much reflects itself in the token's rally over the weekend. A 12% run-up in Shib prices demonstrates that the token's gains are far from over. With this many projects set to come forth in 2022, how might Shib stand to gain? Let's take a look at some Shiba Inu price predictions. Coin price forecast doesn't see Shib building much more on its 34 millionths of a dollar before the end of the year. The outlet targets a price of 38 millionths of a dollar heading into the new year. By the end of 2022, though, it expects Shib to drop a zero and reach 11 thousandths of a dollar. Digital coins see some bigger gains for Shib in the coming weeks, topping the token out at 500 thousandths of a dollar. However, its 12-month growth prospects for Shib aren't spectacular. The outlet is expecting the token to appreciate to a measly 64 millionths of a dollar by the end of 2022. Wallet Investor thinks Shib will at least come close to shaving a zero off its price by December of next year. The outlet is targeting a price of 94 millionths of a dollar. A slightly more bullish Gov Capital expects the token to be worth 1100 thousandths of a dollar in a year's time. Shiba Inu price prediction for the end of 2022. The Shiba Inu forecast for the second half of 2022 is similar to what we've just discussed, minus the big spike. The average Shiba Inu coin price might be 826,739 10 billionths of a dollar. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!